Hello, friends. It's good to see you. Today, I'd like to share some new words with you all. I know in kindergarten, you all learned lots of new words, new snap words. Today, I'd like to share with you guys a few new words. Remember these steps? First, we want to read the word. Next, we want to study it, looking closely at the shapes of the letters, thinking about the sounds we hear. Then we want to spell the word. After that, we'll write it in the air with our imaginary pencil. And then last, we'll use it in a sentence. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Let's read the first word. Come. Now let's study it. Think about the sounds. K, come. Well, I hear a k at the beginning, and I hear a at the end. Come. I don't hear that E. It must be silent. Let's spell it. C-O-M-E. All right, let's get our imaginary pencil. Ready? C-O-M-E. Now we want to use it in a sentence. Would you like to come to the park with me? What's your sentence? That was a great one. Nice job. Let's learn a new word. Let's read it. R. Let's study it. R. R. Oh, I hear the R sound, but I see the letter E, but do we hear it? R. It must be silent. Let's spell the word. A-R-E. Let's write it. A-R-E. Now let's use it. Are you coming to the park with me? What's your sentence? Nice job. Let's learn another one. This word is love. Now let's study it. Love. Love. I hear a U at the beginning. Love. And I hear a V at the end, but I don't hear that E sound. It must be silent. Love. Let's spell it. L-O-V-E. Are you ready to write it? Get your pencil ready. L-O-V-E. Nice job. Let's use it in a sentence. I love my puppy. What's your sentence? Great job. That was a really awesome sentence. Let's learn another one. Our word is to. Can you read that word? To. Let's study it. Ooh. I see it starts with the sound T, and then it sounds like ooh. And there's two of the same letters there. Ooh, T, ooh. Let's spell it. T-O-O. Let's write it. T-O-O. Now let's use it. Would you like to come to the park too? Or maybe I could say, That's my favorite book too. What's your sentence? Great! That was an awesome sentence. Nice job, everyone. Remember, today we learned 4 new words. To, love, are, and come. See if you can find some of these words in your own reading, or maybe you're even using them in your own writing.